Hey tech investors, welcome to VoltEdge. Qualcomm QCOM is stealing the spotlight today, October 27th, 2025, with its stock soaring on a massive AI chip launch. The finance card above shows QCOM's current price at $187.68 USD, up from a previous close of $168.94, reflecting a wild ride with a high of $205.95 and a low of $168.82 this year. We're diving into the AI data center play with the AI 200 and AI 250 chips, CEO transition buzz, and what this means for your portfolio. It's a fast 10-minute breakdown. Hit subscribe, drop your QCOM take below, and let's decode the rally. The hype data. Qualcomm's stock is buzzing with a market cap hitting $182.28 billion as for the finance card above. The day's data shows a peak at $200.90 around 10:15 a.m., settling near $188 by mid-afternoon, a jump fueled by the AI 200 and AI 250 chip unveil for data centers set for 2026-2027. Web reports highlight a 19.2% surge to $201.41, rounding SSBC cracked news, and a 52-week high of $182.23, rounding investing.com, with some sources noting up to 20% gains financial content. The catalyst? A strategic pivot from smartphones to AI, challenging NVIDIA and AMD. Historically, QCOM's year low was $120.80, but it's up 55% from that in 2025 alone, outpacing the S&P 500's 16.42% from Tokenist. Exposts echo excitement around AI, though sentiment varies. Some hail it as a game changer, others caution on volatility. With 1D data showing volatility, example $192.78 at 10:45 a.m. to $187.66 at 15:45 p.m., is this a buy or a bubble? More below. The big reveal, the surge ties to Qualcomm's AI data center entry, unveiling AI 200 and AI 250 chips optimized for inference workloads, per the finance card above and web sources. This follows a $2.4 billion AlphaWave acquisition, rounding SSBC cracked news, and a failed 2017-centric attempt, now bolstered by partnerships like Saudi Arabia's Humain, rounding Tokenist. Web reports suggest a $10.3 to $11.1 billion Q4 revenue forecast and $2.75 to $2.9 EPS, beating prior $2.71, rounding SSBC crack. Yet a CEO departure rumor to lead an Indiana university, rounding stocks to trade, and a UK antitrust lawsuit, rounding Yahoo Finance add risk. The stock's PE sits at 16.4, rounding SSBC crack, below NVIDIA's 28, hinting value, but a $200 to $225 analyst target rounding Benzinga versus $187.68 today leaves room for debate. Is AI the future or a distraction? Your call below. Fan reactions and expert insights. X is a mixed bag. Optimism on AI chips crashes with warnings of overvaluation, mirroring 2000 bubble fears. Web analysts like Morningstar note Qualcomm's outperforming Mag 7 peers, Apple, Microsoft, while Stocks to Trade's Tim Bohen calls it a catalyst-rich setup if volume holds. However, a 1.2 beta signals volatility, and insider sales, example CFO's $1.38 million sell, rounding investing.com, spark unease. Reddit and YouTube threads, unverified, hype the rally but flag server crashes from past drops. Sound familiar? Consensus leans bullish short-term, with a $200 plus target, rounding benchmark, but long-term hinges on AI execution. Bull or bear? Stick your claim below. Extra juice and future outlook. To 2030, Qualcomm's 500 million users from 100 million in 2016 could hit a billion per Clash Royale context if AI and IoT stick. The finance card above shows a one-year climb from $145.20 in May to $187.68 today, with max data from $34.22 in 2008 to today's high. Risks include China probes, rounding tip ranks, and smartphone slowdowns, rounding TS2.tech, but a $0.89 dividend, December 18th, sweetens the deal. Web forecasts $225, rounding Benzinga to 2026, yet a pop like 2000's.com crash looms if AI hype fades. By 2035, could Qualcomm rival NVIDIA? Your 2030 stock vision below. VoltEdge tracks the tech surge. Subscribe for stock alerts and AI scoops, next NVIDIA's counterplay. Like if you're in on QCOM, share the insight, and comment your strategy. Your moves power VoltEdge.